Holy snow day, boys. What do you think?
Watch this now.
I'm watching. Alright, we gotta get our driveway. If you guys can see, that is deep. Max, what do you think? Huh? What do you think? You like it? Yeah, we gotta get this taken care of. Alright, well, welcome to day 3. I had this snowblower in the back of my truck all week from those other snowstorms, which we didn't end up getting much. And then this one, clearly, hopefully I didn't just put that through. Oh boy, don't tell anybody. Yeah, so we gotta get this machine off. We've got to get this driveway plowed. So start where it's not, there's no snow, and push it like 2 or 3 feet just so I can get the snowblower. Yeah, there we go. How you doing? Isn't it crazy? Finally the snow came that they called for, but what?
I'm in the backyard.
Yeah.
The snow's all the way up to my knees.
Holy smokes. We're gonna make a snow pile for you real quick. Alright. This thing always starts on the first pull. Don't let me down. Never, never, ever let me down. Ever. Love this. Warm up a little bit. Good job, Jackie. Hey, walking around you. What do you hear? What do you hear? You guys are nuts. But I love you. Okay, this one drives the auger, okay? You hear that? The auger, the thing in the middle, or the thing in the front, yeah. It spins. This one's your drive, okay? You want to just kind of let the machine pull you. You want to keep a little bit of force up like this to keep that front blade on the ground, okay?
So this is how you drive?
Yep, but you gotta hold this down. Yep, hold it all the way down. Yes, I can hurt you. Yep. Just remember, you can stop it at any time when you let that lever up, okay? So if somebody's in front of you or whatever, you gotta pull it up. Okay? Go ahead. You gotta pull.
Okay.
It's automatic. It's automatic. It won't. It ain't that fast. You can pull that down, yep. And then hold on to that, yep. Now, yep. Go ahead. There you go. There you go. Look at it. Perfect. Now keep an eye where you're driving. Let go of that. Okay? Now aim a little bit over. Just, yep, go ahead. You're doing good. Okay, great. Go on, let go. Bring it back. Remember, you got to keep a little bit of force on that down, okay? Want me to slow it down?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Alright. Now it's going to be real slow. Okay? Go ahead. And then grab the handle. Push it all the way down and grab the handle. Okay. There you go. Now aim it just to keep pressure on it. There you go. There you go, dude. Perfect. Perfect, man. Awesome job. Take your time. Good job. And then maybe up there too. This is great. Well, a little wider. Hey, a little wider. There you go. Yeah.
I do not want to go to the deep part.
We're gonna have to though. We gotta clean it out. The people that live there are they're gonna want their driveway cleaned. You know? So it's not fair to them to Okay, what do you think, dude? You did awesome. Are you excited to be going with me, babe? Doing some work?
No, but choice?
Not really.
Okay, so good job.
I can't get in. Thank you so much. Hang on. Awesome. I'll move this. Okay, that was extremely nice. I was pretty nervous there. I'm not gonna lie. I thought she was yelling at me. It was extremely nice. I thought she was yelling at me. I was like, I can't get in the driveway. Cause she looked out and she was giving me like the finger like this, but I think she was trying to tell me she's gonna pull back around, but kind of forgot about the ramps. That's all she wrote. Let's go get brunch.